Hi, my name is Reese Somerville. Today I will be presenting construction bridge safety over water. I will start with my case study about the Baltimore Bridge collapse. A cargo ship, MV Dala, struck the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, Maryland on March 26, 2024, causing it to collapse. 6 people were killed and 1 injured in the tragedy, and local and international logistical networks were severely disrupted. The bridge was built in 1977 and has since undergone several inspections, the most recent of which was conducted in 2023 and found to be in excellent condition. But the bridge structural defense was overpowered by the collision, which resulted from the ship losing propulsion during a blackout, and it collapsed catastrophically. Some violations are the bridge lacked modern collision protection systems, such as reinforced fenders or island barriers, which have been required for newer bridges since the 1990s. Its design standards predate these regulations, and retrofitting was never mandated for existing structures. Violation number 1. Standard number 1926.605-B-8. Standard title, Marine Operations and Equipment. Standard text, unless the structure makes it impossible, the means of access shall be located that the load will not pass over any employee. As you can see right here, the load is on top of the employee, and it is clearly a violation of 1926.605. Violation number 2. Standard number 1926.859/A. Standard title, Mechanical Demolition. Standard text, no worker shall be permitted in any area where it can be adversely affected by demolition operations. Only those workers necessary for the performance of the operations shall be permitted in this area at any other time. As you can see right here, he is clearly in the demolition zone, and the cones have marked it off. That is clearly a violation. Violation number 3. Standard number 1926.106. Standard title, Working Over or Near Water. Standard text, at least one life-saving skiff shall be immediately ready at the water location where employees are working over or adjacent to water. As you can tell, there is no skiff, so that is a clear violation of working over or near water. Compliance number 4. Standard number 1926.200. Standard title, Accident Prevention Signs and Tags. Standard text, accident prevention signs and tags are required by the subpart, shall be visible at all times while working on the job site, and shall be removed or covered when the hazard no longer exists. As you can see, I have all my cones marked off. Violation number 5. Standard number 1926.1425. Standard title, Keeping Clear of the Load. Standard text, while the operator is not moving a suspended load, no employee must be within the falling zone. As you see here in the suspended load, you can clearly tell that the worker is within the fall zone, which is a clear violation.